In today's video, I'll show you how to create and use custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced, a powerful feature that helps you personalize your invoices, forms, and reports to better match your business needs. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be confident in setting up custom fields that make your financial management more efficient, organized, and uniquely yours. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Click Sign In at the top right corner. From the available options, select QuickBooks Online to ensure you're on the correct platform. Then, enter your login credentials, your username and password, and click Continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Before creating custom fields, we need to check one important setting. Go to the Settings menu. You'll find it at the top right corner, represented by a small gear icon. From there, click Account and Settings, then navigate to the Sales tab. Under Sales Form Content, look for the option labeled Custom Transaction Numbers and make sure it's turned on. This enables the ability to add and manage custom fields across your forms, such as invoices and sales receipts. Once that's set up, it's time to create your custom fields. Head back to your dashboard, then select Settings again. Under the List section, click Custom Fields. You'll now see an overview of any existing fields and an option to Add Custom Field. Go ahead and click it. Here, you can define what kind of field you want to create. QuickBooks allows you to set up fields for text, number, or date. Depending on what information you want to track, you can also specify which forms will display the field. For example, you might choose to show it on invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Give your field a clear name, such as project code or customer reference, to help identify its purpose later. If you'd like your team members to view or edit these fields, you can set permissions accordingly. This is especially useful for businesses with multiple users managing different parts of the workflow. Once you've filled out all the details, click Save. Your new custom field will now appear in the list, ready to use. Now, let's put that new field into action. Open an invoice or estimate from the Sales section of your dashboard. Click Edit, and you'll notice your newly created custom field displayed on the form. You can enter specific information here, for example, a job number, department code, or delivery date, depending on how you plan to use it. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finalize your changes. Your custom fields will now automatically appear on future invoices or sales forms, keeping your data consistent and easy to track. And that's it. You've successfully created and used custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. These fields not only help personalize your business forms, but also make reporting and tracking smoother, saving you time while ensuring every detail is recorded accurately. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks Online tips and productivity guides.